Okay, and now we're going to do page 10, the last page in our album. And you'll notice quite often with some of my albums, page 10 is quite often just vertical pockets or horizontal pockets, because I'm starting to run out of paper and I want to make sure that the paper is going to correspond, pick up something with the inside cover. So if I just show you here, that's the front inside cover, and then the back inside cover is the same, but you can see that I'm picking up some of the pattern here, and this piece here is also used on the front cover there. So page 10 is going to have two pockets. It's going to have a pocket there and a pocket there, and your base paper will be there. Just pop that under there, that will be there. That one will be here. You can see we're just not using all the pocket because we need to keep the paper for something else. That one will be on there, that on there, and then to cover that black spot, I've got a decorative strip there. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is with your decorative strip is just actually pop it on, put a little pencil mark, just so you know that you need to, you can go just slightly over that, but so you've got enough paper. And I'm just sticking this here. You'll see black bits on the back because guess who forgot to measure the space and had to redo the page. Okay, it's really hard when you've cut it after you've made the album up. It's really hard to although I write down what I've done, it's hard to remember sometimes. So that's stuck on there. Pop that one on there like that. I can put that one on there. And don't forget, we'd love to see how you've got on with this album, and feedback as well would be really, really helpful. And if there's anything you'd like to do in the future, or different album styles, anything like that, let us know. Right, so this pocket's going here. And as always, I forgot to say I have already inked the edges of my decorative paper. Okay, so we'll pop that one there. Straighten it up. Okay. That's it there. Oops, it's moved. Okay, that's all done. So your next one will go there, like that. And this is a nice stripe side as well. I didn't really use that in the album, but you should have little bits and pieces left over. So go through, once your book's all decorated, go through and then think, oh, that space looks a bit bare. Is there anything I can add from my scraps? So that's going to the edge of that one there. But remember, it's still a pocket. Straighten that up. And this is going to be your other pocket on here. And I'll put decorative paper on here. That's there, like that. And then down the side here, I cut out 3 little images from the pages. Actually, I think I'll have the octopus there. And then I'm just going to stick them in. Now when Kay does it, she sticks each end and then pops in the middle, which makes sense. You can use our alignment tools as well. You can just do it by eye. You can angle them if you want. I'll pop this one here. Just straighten it a little bit. See that my black edge is a bit crooked there, so once this glue has dried I would go back in with my black marker and just with a ruler and just straighten it up a little bit. Right, okay, so that is page 10 finished. So now you've finished all your decorative pages, now is the time to go through each one, decide where you want to glossy accent, put your glossy accents on, let the pages dry before you pop them into your album. Thanks so much for keeping us company and really hope you've enjoyed it.